A lot of people get influenced with these fancy unboxings and end up getting things they don't really need. I particularly want to talk about the worst product category of all, which is these expensive TWS for a particular reason. Like AirPods or pretty much any brand that sells these expensive TWS earphones. So let's get down to the topic. So these are my AirPods. These are like almost 3 years old and these are almost dead at the end of their life cycle, taking those last few breaths. So they do charge, but they cannot even hold 1 hour worth of usage out of them. I'm talking about both the case and the AirPods itself. Also, Apple does not show the battery health unlike the iPhones or the Apple Watches. Maybe it's planned that way. So generally if you buy any product, yes, there is depreciation, but at the end of it, you will have some value left, but not with these AirPods, since you cannot really replace the battery and revive the earphones and use it for a longer term or sell them off. But that's not the case. But if you look at the similar category like the Apple Watch, it is actually possible to replace the batteries. Yes, they are pricey, but you can at least pay like 20% of the original cost and get them revived and use them for a longer term, like 8 to 10 years or so. The same goes for the Samsung Galaxy watches. If you can get a third party source, you can get it even for cheap. So I tried to fact check a little more on the Apple website, where they claim that they can replace or do something called the battery service for the AirPods Pro. So it was showing me an estimate of around 5,000 rupees just for the charging case, and for the AirPods again it is the same amount. So it almost comes down to 50% of the original cost of the AirPods Pro, which is insane. I mean, I tried to dig deeper and what I found is that they are really going to replace the AirPods or the charging case and not really do any servicing or the replacement, since like I said, it is almost not possible to do that service because of that beautiful design. Hence the cost is too high. I also tried calling the customer care on this, and the executive was pretty much clueless and guided me to visit a service center. So there are 3 takeaways here. One, do not get these expensive TWS if you are extending your budget or giving it a second thought or getting these on EMIs. These are for people who can buy these easily without even feeling a pinch. The second thing is, do not buy this second hand. I mean, let's say if I sell them, the person who is getting this is going to get ripped off because these are going to die within a few months. So don't buy them unless they are under warranty or 6 months old, etc. And finally, these brands need to come up with a more modular design where they can easily replace the batteries, so you don't have to dispose them and really care for that eco-friendly stuff. And currently there are so many budget earphones that come with all these features and they are pretty good and value for money. Like I'm currently using this OnePlus Buds 2R for content watching, as it has some great low end kick to it. So I am actually using it rather than using the AirPods. So it is all about making those smart choices, guys, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. So that's been it for this quick video, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.